Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, April 24th, 2014. It's now 5:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were about break even, except for the NASDAQ. It appears Apple was able to carry the NASDAQ to a positive close. The S&P closed up slightly. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel, though presently we're still in the light blue rectangle, which is a consolidation area. We failed twice before at this level. Support is at 1732 as seen by the green oval. Resistance is at 1885 as seen by the pink oval. The NASDAQ was up, and it hit the bottom band of the uptrend channel. It closed below it though. A close above 3600 will change our sentiment to bullish. The Fibonacci 100% retracement level is at 3441. The US dollar was down and we closed with a doji. Price remains in the downtrend channel. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 29.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, April 24th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. Only two Forex pairs are trending at the moment. From the ADX analysis on the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There aren't any strong currencies, nor are there any weak currencies. There aren't any qualified pairs. Here's our trade summary chart for April. For open trades, our euro pound trade remains open and we're short 5 micros at 0.8199. Target number 1 is 0.8168 and our stop loss has been moved to 0.8256. For new orders, there aren't any new orders today. Let's first look at the price chart for our open trade on the euro pound. This has been in a short-term downtrend channel. We sold 5 micros at 0.8199. Target number 1 is 0.8168, and our stop loss is now at 0.8256. We'll now look at the price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel, but recently it's been pulling back towards the bottom of this channel. This is the Euro Aussie dollar. It's been in a medium-term downtrend channel. Most recently, it's been pulling back up towards the top of the channel. We're now looking at the Euro US dollar. This has been in a medium-term uptrend channel. It recently has pulled back towards the bottom of this channel. And here's the pound yen. It's in a long-term uptrend channel, but over the last few weeks it continues to move sideways. And last is the US dollar yen. It's in a medium-term downtrend channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend Review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the two indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.